Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a very quick and fast remedy for acne and pimples. Okay, so you guys know I'm a fan of fair and white, so white. I'm their fan, I've been using their cream, their oil, their serum, their everything. And last time I went to buy my oil because the oil is finished. Look, the oil is finished, so I went to buy the oil and I made a mistake and I bought this. So when I came home, I thought this was the oil, not knowing this is their cleanser, like acne medication cleanser. So when I brought my cream to mix it, I realized this is just some watery substance, and then I decided to use it. Before that, I had so many rashes on my face, and I'm going to pin it here for you to see. Before that, I had so many tiny rashes on my face because I think I ate something I was allergic to and it broke me up. So I started using this. I just bought it last week. I haven't used a lot, but this one cleared everything. Okay, it cleared everything within 2 days. Like, when you use it, it's going to burn your face. Burn as in we know rub, okay? We know rub or aboniki, this kind of things. That's how you're going to feel on your face. Like, it's going to burn you. So if you have sensitive skin, I don't advise you to use it. But if you have a normal skin, or even if you have a sensitive skin, there's no harm in trying. Like, it will pepper your face but work, okay? It gives this burning sensation, not in a bad way but in a nice way, like when you eat tom or when you use rub. Okay, we all know Vicks rub. Yeah, when you have cough and cold, this rub that we use, it has the same kind of thing inside. And let me read the description. Purifying toner has been developed to purify the skin and tighten pores. It tightens your pores. All these black hairs, white hairs, is going to clean everything. Okay, its formula contains aloe vera and leaves a cooling feeling. This cooling feeling is what I was trying to describe. We all know how aloe vera is good for the skin and the hair. Okay, aloe vera is very good and it has a cooling effect. This is going to give you this pepperish kind of sensation. All you need to do is just pour a tiny bit on a cotton ball and then rub your face at night. Please don't use it in the morning. Rub your face at night after you cleanse your face. I mean, after you wash your face. Okay, then if you have a serum or a face cream, you use it and go to bed. I advise this at night. Okay, it's very good. Okay, it's very good. So guys, if you are a fan of fair and white, so white as I am, just get it. If you have acne, it's going to clear all your acne, your pimples, and make your face glowy and nice. Okay, yeah, make your face glowy and nice. I just came to share this one. I'm done. Okay, just a quick review. Thanks for watching. Bye.